Okay, welcome back here. So, like I talked the other time, and now for this one, we could run our Matana for this SQL workbench. You get a query window when we see for front here, maybe say if you write your query put. So, for now, what we will look into now this thing select the select clause. So we'll look into it deeply. So, as you know now, I just right click and then set them as default schema, or I just come here, come right with it, use the store as in based on the database name. So once I just hit them now like this, select, you get me, as in I don't set as default schema. So you will do it in, you will use them as this thing, the default schema. So see our tables then now when they here. So we get customers, order item notes, order items, orders, order status, products, and shippers. So now for us to write our query now, come here now. I can't say I use the select keyword now as we already know now. So for instance, our customer now, our columns then, if you check here, as I scroll, they see them now. Customer ID, first name, last name, birth date, phone, address, city, state, points. So you know the normal this and this aesthetic will be all, select all. Then we can use this from clause also. Select all from here, from customers, from customers table. Now if I just hit this guy in there here, so you see am now I don't return all the result give us. But normally if you still end down with the semicolon based on say to show say you don't end the statement sha. So you see now the customer ID don't select, it don't show display audio data for us. The first name Chinonso, last name or car for birth date, phone number, the address, Adeola Odeku Street. Now remember this street for Lagos, VI, city, Lagos, state, LA. Then the point time say the customer get 9 be this. So now we can select this thing they do as we know now. The select statement. And normally, you know, say if you know decide to use asterisk and if you decide to do it in call the single columns name. You know, say you get database if you get now, if you just get plenty columns and millions of data, how you can't run now? So as in you just like sometimes you just want like pick few this thing because you know say as plenty so they run all those query them again based on plenty records if you get your own effect for the database. So for example now console wants select a first name, if we say select first name, you see for there no, first name from database I can't run now. So you see and I don't select only the first name as you see now only the first name now I don't return give us. And again yeah, okay, if you still use ESFT execute your command now. First name, last name, and again when you run am, you still waiting, you still give you first name, last name. And again, if you concept, you can't be say you can't as in change the way the order of the distance them. If you change them. As you see now, I don't carry last name come first, then can't carry first name to be the second. And you see I say first name there, then last name, but now I don't change now last name. So I switch and say if I run am, you see I say don't turn to a car for Chino. So you get the JKB. So even if you want to let bear the phone number, address, city, state, points, you still feel get them. I feel still come again, put points. Run am. You see am, don't return am for us. And again, one thing you need to know again be say if you still run some kind like mathematics safe for inside all these things safe for inside this query, it will still work. Take for example now, map press like enter. Then say this points now. I can't come now, I can't say I think come as I don't do this point now, I can't put I say comma, then point plus 10. My run am. See now. You don't add new column for us for here, and you see am now. Points plus 10. And if you look at now 1500 plus 10 will give you 1510. If you look this 2300 plus 10 will give you 2310. She say with the raw mathematics for inside. So just run some kind mathematical expression for inside this thing. Please. So even though if you put am say times multiplication, you go still give you the same thing. See, 15 times 10, 15,000. Sure, you understand now. If you like, you do minus. So if you like, you do division anyone. If you like, you want to do modulo, so you still do. And say 15 minus 10 give you 1,410 points. And now if you see this name where we say they here now, if you decide to like say make we change this name, we'll give am better name now. That's one now you can't just say use this word as. You get me now? As. Then you can't put the name where you want give am now. Maybe say I might say okay, discount points. Discount point. I just can use discount point as the name. We fit change am to maybe awarded points and all that. Now this one na as keyword, then this one na you go come be define this thing, you come call am as in alias, so we say they give am the name when we say go come give am now. So make I run and make we see. So you see now, if you look very well now, you see say don't turn to discount points. So now the matter when we say it did here. Then if you look now, see, okay, we get city, we get state, we get this other this thing. Take for example now, one say make we add state. Okay, see the state now, LA, Lagos, SC, which is Abuja FCT, Oyo, Enugu, Kano, LA, and the rest of them. Now, if you look all these things, okay, LA appear 2 times, and here we can't get LA again. Okay, DT, Delta. So I want to make it be say this thing, make it be say, make I sure I correct for this thing, not correct too. It's supposed to be distinct, yeah. This is not valid at this position. Okay, sorry. So okay, map down for here. Okay, so select this thing state. State. Must even add this thing. Anyway, so as I run am now, if you look now, you see say difference down there, abi. Okay, make I undo am so that you go grab wetin I dey try talk. Here the state. Okay, I don't even add the state again. Make I run am. Okay, see the state now. If you look at CLA. Now, if I come now, say select distinct state. Okay, ma do am say as as unique state. Make I run and make we see. Okay. Yeah, you know show. I don't see no good. Okay. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So normally distinct the distinct now, like if you no want say make you get duplicate record now. You get me? Make you get duplicate record. So for here now, if I run am now, you see say LA now only once here appear. So now within this guy they work. So in case you get duplicate record and you want select just a unique one, so now within this things they do. So now the matter say I get for us with this, and I think I don't do many things for inside this select statement. So now your hand is there now to like run anything we say you want run. You get me? So just play with the whole thing and then you go see wetin the thing will give you. I will see us for the next class where we have to talk of something again new. So thank you very much. I hope say you enjoy this class as it go like this. So okay, see you in the next class then. Thank you.